Hi friends, my name is Shiva. So one of my friend has asked me to describe where arc and upload that video in YouTube. So he asked me like that. For him, I'm making the video about to where arc and upload it for the sake of my dear friend. Not only for him, people who may watch this video, I'm sure definitely it will be helpful for you too. So in this video, I'm going to be describe regarding the one of the essential feature in the Java, that is nothing but var arg. Var arg is nothing but variable argument. We are all aware of this one. So this feature is came along with the JDK 1.5 version. But here we should have the thought what mechanism might be used by the programmers before came this feature. That is one thing we should be aware. And second thing, how the programmer uses the var arg and how they are satisfied with this feature. And finally, you should know one thing, that is what is the discrepancy between the before var arg and the after var arg. If you are really find the discrepancy between these two, then only you will get to know the advantages of the var arg. So I want to be described regarding this topic theoretically as well as programmatically. First I am describing theoretically. Var arg is nothing but variable argument method. Method allows this variable argument. So if I am not using the variable argument in the method signature, how previously the programmer used mechanism, they used the mechanism to overloading the multiple methods. If I want to have the method which contains the two methods with the same data type, I can write one method. And if I want the same data type which contains the four arguments, I can write one more method with the method name should be same, and having the different signature is nothing but we can call it as a method overloading. We are all aware of this method overloading concept. This method overloading concept used before came this feature. Yes, that is good, okay, good feature, good thing only. The disadvantage is if you are writing the multiple methods with the different arguments, then the code will be like enhanced. When the code is enhanced in the program, automatically the complexity will come. We know this. This is the one drawback actually. And one more thing we can use it, the mechanism, the parameter we can take as an array and we will get the multiple values. This is also we are using. But while you are using the method overloading concept, the complexity will come. So maintenance also leads complexity. To avoid such kind of things, the new feature is came. There is nothing but var arg. It is there in the JDK 1.5 version. Now we will discuss about that var arg. The var arg is syntax is variable. That means data type followed by three dots and variable name. Okay. Okay. So write only one method and maintain the variable argument in the method signature. But while you are invoking that method from the controller class or from the main method, if it is a standard program, If in case if I want to one argument, you can give the one value with the same method only. Invoke the same method. If you want to two values, you can pass the two values. If you want to 10 values, you can pass the 10 values. Same method only. The functionality is a one method, but you are invoking that method by giving the different values. When the feature is not there, that time what you do? Overloading the concept, overloading the methods, and invoking the methods by passing the different values. But now the method is same only one, because there is a one variable argument is there in the method signature. That's why you are passing the multiple different values. Type is same only. I hope you got my point. So here let's code. So maintenance is very easy. There is no complexity. That I want to reveal you. I want already I revealed you. Okay. And but you should be very careful when you use the where variable argument in the Java. You should be aware two rules. One is the argument which you are saying variable argument, that should be always the the last argument in the method signature, unless you are not handling or you are not maintaining the var arg in the last position of the method signature, you will get compile time error. Make sure. And second rule, in the method signature, so variable argument only one variable. You should not have the multiple variable arguments. If you are having multiple args in the method signature, compile time error you will face. These two rules you should be compulsory should be aware while you are using var arg. Please make sure these two rules while you are using this concept. So theoretically, I am saying this thing whatever about the var arg. So along with this, I'll attach one more video programmatically how the programmer would have followed without var arg, how the programmer are following with a var arg, and see the discrepancy between with var arg, without var arg, and eventually you will get to know the advantage of the var arg. That is my perception. I hope you are all clear regarding the var arg. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.